Understanding Net Zero Emissions, a path to a greener future. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that's not only a buzzword in environmental circles but also a crucial goal for the future of our planet. Net zero emissions. Whether you've heard it in the news, read about it online, or are just curious about what it means, this video will break down the concept into easy-to-understand pieces. Our goal is to make sure you walk away with a clear understanding of what net zero emissions entail and why it's so important for us and future generations. Net zero emissions refer to the balance between the amount of greenhouse gas emissions produced and the amount removed from the atmosphere. In simpler terms, it means that any carbon dioxide, CO2, or other greenhouse gases we emit must be balanced out by removing an equivalent amount from the atmosphere. This balance is crucial in fighting climate change and ensuring a sustainable planet for all. The concept is based on the understanding that to prevent the most catastrophic effects of climate change, we need to drastically reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we're releasing. However, it's challenging to reduce emissions to absolute zero with current technologies, especially in sectors like heavy industry and aviation. That's where the idea of net zero comes in. It's about balancing what we emit by taking equivalent amounts out of the atmosphere, using methods like reforestation or carbon capture technologies. Achieving net zero emissions is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it's critical in the fight against global warming and climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, has highlighted the need to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels to prevent the most severe impacts of climate change. Reaching net zero emissions by the middle of this century is essential to achieving this target. Moreover, striving for net zero emissions encourages innovation in green technologies, such as renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, and carbon capture and storage, CCS, technologies. It also promotes sustainable practices across all sectors of the economy, from agriculture to manufacturing, thereby contributing to a healthier planet. Achieving net zero emissions is a complex process that requires collective efforts from governments, businesses, communities, and individuals. Here are some of the key strategies. Transition to renewable energy. Shifting from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power is crucial. Energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and manufacturing processes can significantly reduce emissions. Reforestation and afforestation. Planting new forests and restoring damaged ones can absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Carbon capture and storage, CCS. Developing and implementing technologies to capture and store CO2 emissions from industrial processes. Sustainable agriculture. Adopting practices that reduce emissions from farming and livestock. Understanding net zero emissions is the first step toward contributing to a more sustainable and greener future. By learning about what it means, why it's important, and how we can achieve it, we can all play a part in the global effort to combat climate change. We hope this video has illuminated the path to net zero emissions and inspired you to think about how you can contribute to this essential goal. Thank you for watching, and let's work together for a healthier planet. Remember, every small action counts, and together, we can make a big difference. Stay green and see you in the next video.